Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
BJP National Vice President M. Chuba Au, ubadai in charge jong ka BJP hapo kajala Meghalaya, hene kasungi kasauterik ulber arhajar arfway, ulai kendu ikinongelam jong ka BJP jong kajala Meghalaya, ka office traikam jong ka party. Habai kran bet kinong tok kebor hadin ka meeting au ulaong ba kijing bom yas ngautu jengmut hapo ka party kila deben ya kran bat menta baro kila don hapdaing kijing yas ngautu jengmut. Habai day bet ka bamsap hapo kajala nakaliang au ulaong ba ka party kila shim dak weipat kisenjam bat iya kani kanam pentip ba kiai kita kisenjam ki ba ka party kan le ban budin ya kani ka kam bamsap. Hanrai lada mano kile bakla ka anyi kan sa shim ya karai. Shushu habai kren bat ka ILP nakaliang uau ulaong ba kadai kamat jong ka sorkar jela. Te ai ba ka sorkar jela kan shim ya kane kamat banyak kren bat ka sorkar pedeng. Hanrai nakaliang jong ka party kala pentip habai day bat kane ka kam sakinong elam jong ka party hadnong ba Delhi.
Unpredictable. We cannot all the time blame to law and order because any times any issues comes up, is very unable to control anybody. So when it comes, but it should not be. All the civil society, NGOs should also help not to come up with this kind of issues.
But 3 years MDA government, you are the partner. So many issues are there. Is it not high time to come out of the MDA? Because lot of issues are there.
No, it is be, see, when MDA will be sitting together, our 2 MLAs are their partners. So they will raise this issue when time comes. Because it is, everyday MDA sitting will be not there.
So you are not going soft on the NPP government?
No, not question of soft or hard. Because we are partners.
The way now the meeting took place, let us adjust and settle down. So there is no, just adjust 2 more years. Is it the plan?
No, not like this. See, we are BJP. Our identity also there. There are other regional parties. We respect them. Their identity also there. So every identity will be there. But why MDA? Meghalaya Democratic Alliance means common minimum programs are there. We have to highlight.
But why people should suffer because of the misgovernance?
I don't.
And you are also supporting that misgovernance.
No, I don't think that people shall suffer. I don't see.
People are suffering.
No, I don't see.
Coal mining is illegal. Coal mining, people are dying.
Mining, how it stop? I'm a little bit dark about it because of I think green revolution. I do not know one national something. Some organizations might have given a put that the kind of red hull mine. All these things are banned. So maybe working on this government on these issues. So illegal mine, see, illegal mine, what happened? Mine is banned. Okay, somebody does it. So it is civil society and other, they have to find out, they have to see and they have to give it to the government. As a political party, sometimes what happens, we also sometimes shout it.
Sir, the motto of your party is to fight against corruption and other illegalities. And your party leaders have started the crusade against these illegalities. But sir, don't you think like instead of supporting them, you're trying to protect the MDA government?
No, it is not a question of protecting or not. This is, see, in MDA, we are 6 partners, including independents and all. So we need all 6 kind of opinions. What is going on? How this try to sabotage the MDA government? It may be other political party who is trying to do. So we have to dig up, we have to sit together and raise this question.
BJP will continue to support the government till the end of the term.
See, government is our political party. You might witness how inside the political party also sometimes anti-incumbency, this fact. There, we do not know, their party might have there. If things are common, what can I do? But we are BJP, we are ruling in Delhi, and our duty is to bring these things, whatever our vibrant, dynamic leader Modi ji has more than 200 programs he has announced. Now he has to be goes to the grassroots level through BJP.
But only thing, you will admit, several central projects are not being implemented by the NPP government.
I am not sure about this one. All Meghalaya is a non-revenue is very poor revenue. All our central schemes are given. So much of development I could see. Scheme given, central also they have their own monitoring bodies. They are monitoring, they are doing. If there is no complaint, then why should we complain?
Sir, but why this delay in coming up with the names of the candidates for the Garo Hills District Council elections?
This is our strategist purpose. That is, we cannot tell to everybody. This is our own strategy.
Fighting within your party is out in the open. The youth wing of your party has even threatened to launch agitations if the state president is not removed. What do you have to say on
See,
this?
that is why today's meeting is a very fruitful meeting. How to come to discipline, how to come obedience. Because people say, I have sacrificed. Obedience is better than sacrifice. That is there. So many factors, which is, I am honestly, in conclusions, I am taking the blame. Because it was my duty, come little earlier, settle things. I am a leader. I am taking everything in my head only. I am taking the responsibility. These things happen. So now I believe that everybody will cooperate with me, nothing will happen. वो जो कोड हम बताए, everybody agree to disagree. सभी तो disagree होगा वो हटाने के लिए.
Sir, just one last query from my side. When you visited Shillong last time, you met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma without taking any of your pictures. So this has created a lot of embarrassment and it has disappointed many of your party workers. What do you have to say on this?
You see, my meeting with him, because first of all, what he wants, what is in his mind. He's the Chief Minister for people of Meghalaya. He's not a Chief Minister of BJP. He's a Meghalaya People's Chief Minister. So what is there, how it has come up, little hints we need it, so that sometime what happens when face to face goes, sometime argument will take place, and sometime non-agreement will be take place, so that it is there a strategic purpose. I made them, I got it, I also learned many things, how to run a government. Then he told me, I am running 6 political parties together. It is not that easy, everybody he cannot please.
So we can say that issue with NDP is resolved and you will continue to support the NDA government.
No, see, MDA is our alliance. And MDA will be there, MDA will not withdraw. Will be there. Differences will sort it out in the table. See, in politics, different strategies are worked out. Some are bombarded. Some strategy in different way they work. So we have adopted certain strategy. Why should we tell to everybody? Our own strategy we will work. Our silent strategy we will
So that
work.
means your party will continue to pursue for a CBI probe into this issue.
There, see, if anybody does wrong, the law will take in its own courses. So nothing to do from BJP, nothing to do from other side also, they will do it themselves.
Will you continue with the demand for CBI inquiry into this?
No, see, demand for CBI inquiry is a technical matter. It's a government. Government has to, cabinet has to give the permissions to come to CBI and all. So what happened? If government think that in our own government some unscrupulous people are doing and misleading and try to tarnish the image of the MDA, they will do it. It's not necessary that BJP has to do it.